keep this fact wall. Today, we are diving into the cosmos to uncover some truly mind-blowing facts about space that you probably didn't know. Are you interested to know the 10 mind-blowing facts about space? Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's jump right in. Fact 1. Diamond planet. Did you know there is a planet out there made of diamonds? That's right. It's called 55 Angry E and it's located about 40 light years away. This super Earth is thought to be largely composed of diamonds. Just imagine a whole planet sparkling like a giant gem. Fact 2. Silent space. Space is completely silent. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Since space is a vacuum, there is no air to carry sound waves. So, if you were floating out there, you wouldn't hear a thing. Astronauts communicate on radios to talk to each other. Fact 3. Venus Day and Year. Yes, here's a crazy one. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes about 243 days for Venus to rotate once on its axis, but only about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So, if you lived there, you would celebrate New Year's before finishing a single day. And fact 4. Floating water cloud. Believe it or not, there is a massive water vapor cloud floating in space around a black hole 12 billion light years away. This cloud has 140 trillion times the water in all of Earth's oceans. That's one giant cosmic water park. And fact 5. Olympus Mons. Ever wondered where the largest volcano is? Look no further than Mars. Olympus Mons is the biggest volcano in our solar system, standing at a towering 13.6 miles high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Fact 6. Dense neutron stars. Neutron stars are mind-bogglingly dense. Just a sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons here on Earth. These stars are the remnants of supernova explosions, packing incredible mass into a tiny space. Imagine a small sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material. It should weigh about 1 billion tons here on Earth. Fact 7. Stars versus sun grains. Here's a humbling thought. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sun on Earth. Imagine, with over 100 billion galaxies, each containing millions and billions of stars, the cosmos is truly infinite. It's true. And next time you are at the beach, think about that. And fact 8. Galactic collision. Galaxies can collide? Yes, galaxies can collide. And it's not just a theory. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, these two galactic chains will match, creating a new galaxy. Don't worry, we have got plenty of time. Plus space. Space has a smell. Astronauts report that space smells like seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. This unique scent comes from the high energy vibrations in particles brought back to the spacecraft. Sounds like a cosmic BBQ. Fact 10. Expanding universe. And finally, the universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Do you imagine? What's the speed of light? It's too fast. While nothing can travel faster than light within space, the fabric of space itself is expanding at an incredible rate. This is why distant galaxies seem to be speeding away from us. Wow, space is full of incredible and mind-blowing facts, right? And in this video, you knew about 10 mind-blowing facts. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.